you go. That's better. Now leave Daddy alone and let me.
Right, we've currently got a few steam engines going around the arena while people have a go at steering them, which is a great spectacle up here, chuffing around the arena. But I'd also just like to remind Crash Fox Club members, we've got at 2 o'clock, we've got the parade of Crash Fox Classic Car Club members' cars. So those of you who are going to come around the arena, perhaps it's, think about getting back to the cars and getting ready for the Crash Box and Classic Car Club parade of cars at 2 o'clock.
I have no idea. I'm giving up.
He's in that.
It's like kind of has
He'll ring us up. Is my phone in that bag? Oh no, it's not.
So you show me out. Oi.
We can have a little bit of time, but not forever. Nice condition. It is nice,
Nice colour. I don't know, I've been trying to run away from side. It was like that because for whatever reason it was being serviced or they promised it to somebody. So you just keep changing the car until your real car arrives. But they gave me a Choo-choo. Shit, I thought I hit you then.
If I'm paying for it, it's free. I think I'll get
Oh, right.
No, just annoying.
What, the one old Devon one? I had the black one here last year. Yeah, that was here last year, but yeah, no, that's still right. I took it up country, up near Reading to the Brandon.